Well, I guess it's a good thing I didn't go wash the car yet. I was literally about to leave here in like 5 minutes. Also, the humidity is insane. It's like 80%. Well, now it's 100%, but you get what I mean. So I guess we'll wait here a few minutes and then we'll go wash the car because it really needs to be done before tomorrow morning. I don't feel too bad about how loud my car is because my neighbor right here has a motorcycle, and every time he starts it, he's sitting there, sitting right here. He's just doing that, and that's our living room up above him. So I don't feel too bad about my loud car if he doesn't feel too bad about his bike. I get it, bro. Exhausts are nice, but it's also nice to be nice. One nice thing about the humidity though is that this car sounds so good for some reason. I don't know if there's something to do with the humidity or the if the air is like denser or something, but the car definitely sounds way nicer when it's basically the rainforest out. There's a lot of stuff on that van. Damn. That doesn't look safe. So loud, dude. I know normally straight piped exhausts sound really bad, but if you actually build the rest of your car and not just the straight pipe exhaust, you can actually sound really good. But the car needs to actually perform the way that it sounds. That's the only way it's gonna sound good. If it's just cutting everything off and just leaving it all open pipe, it's gonna sound like crap. But at least when you have a nice, you know, intake system, inlet pipe, bigger turbo, all that stuff, it sounds so much better. It makes the exhaust worth it. And you actually get the horsepower out of it too. Red line of day keeps the carbon away, as they say. All right, here we go. Let's try not to leave half of my car behind on this entrance. Not too bad, not too bad. Take this last bay, it's nice and private. My push to start button is going out. I have a fix that I can do on it, I think, without having to replace it. So I'm gonna try that first, so I don't have to buy a new button. whenever you're washing your car, you want to make sure you start at the top and move your way down. You don't want to do down here and then move your way up, because you're just going to run all of the dirty water back down across. I am gonna need, oops. I am gonna need this. I can't quite put my finger on what this smells like. I know I've smelled it, but it's like a candy or something. Like a honey smell almost. Like a honey bun maybe? Maybe that's what it is. It does definitely smell like honey though. Nice and clean, spick and span. Well, I used the little brush and cleaned the wheels, got in there and did every spoke, and then did the spotless rinse. So we're set. I don't really see much of a point in totally drying it and detailing it right now. I think I'll wait till tomorrow when I'm inside the show. One, because that lighting will be way better and I can do a better job. But two, I'm going to end up detailing it at the show anyway. Because, you know, it's going to get a little bit dusty between then and now. I don't really know what. I guess there's people over there, apparently, and they're being loud. I can't exactly hear what they're saying, but I think it's profanity, and I don't think it's very family friendly, let's just say. So we're going to go ahead and dip out. How about that? I'll talk on the way. My GoPro definitely turned off halfway through. I think it overheated, which that makes sense. Not only is it super hot because of the humidity, but it's also strapped to my head, and my head is not the coolest place to be mounted to. As I was saying though, yeah, it's definitely gonna get dusty between tomorrow and right now, so there's not a whole lot of point in doing a super deep detail right now. Especially when I do it all myself. I might as well just wait till tomorrow. I'm pretty sure those are the people that were yelling profanities. They were definitely close, whoever it was. And there's definitely nobody else in here. The air conditioner definitely feels real good though. But yeah, let's go ahead and skip ahead to getting home. I'm just gonna cruise, probably play a couple songs, and then we will pick this back up tomorrow during the event.
A few minutes later.
Alright, so it is currently 2:30 in the morning, and I got home after going to wash the car, and I was literally like out front of my apartment, and I looked down and I realized that I had almost a full tank of gas, and to get into the show in 8 hours ish, I have to have a quarter tank of gas or less because it's an indoor show. So I panicked and I freaked out, and I just got back because I've been out driving for the last 2 hours. Actually, almost 3 hours I've been driving around. I've put on about 80 miles that I've just driven around, literally with the only purpose of wasting gas. It's so funny. Like, I always complain about how fuel inefficient this car is because it's got all these performance parts on it, and I'm always just like, man, this car is so expensive to drive to work, blah, blah, blah. Like, I gotta put $60 a week into it, and that's just to drive to work and back home. And then now that I'm trying to waste gas, it seems to be doing incredibly well on gas. So I am down to, well, less than half a tank. So it's not great, but I've been driving around just keeping it in high gears, blasting the AC, blasting my music. I would drive for like 45 minutes, and then I would stop and give it like 15-20 minutes to cool off, and then I would start and do it all over again. I went to my wife's work, hung out over there, got some food. I got a burrito. I picked up a cookie from her work. Like, I've just been goofing off on a now Sunday morning, burning up gas. Such a weird thing to have to do, because again, normally I'm complaining about burning up gas, just doing my thing, and now I'm out here. I'm so dumb too, bro. I literally like filled this tank on purpose just a few days ago. And I guess, like, to be fair, Import Expo didn't reach out to me to film this event for them until just a few days ago, and I got gas that night. So it's not like I didn't like know that I was doing this and then go get a full tank of gas anyway. Like, at least I'm not a total dummy, but I do wish that I had thought about this beforehand, because I could have gone and ran errands or something today and burned gas, like doing stuff, not just burning gas to just drive around.